Hi, welcome to Davenport High School. I'm Matt DeLoach, principal here. We're very excited about welcoming you to the campus in August of 2020. Things are well underway, as you'll see as we walk around campus. So without waiting much longer, let's go ahead and go for a walk. Welcome to third period. This is one of the classrooms here at Davenport. By and large, they all look about the same. They're all square footage this size, be kitted out about the same way with whiteboards in these same areas. We do have a couple of purpose-built rooms like science rooms and our robotics lab. Those areas look a little bit different than this because they're purpose-built. Our fine arts wing, very unique, having all of it in one space. So that end of the hallway is our dance, and as you come forward, we have orchestra, theater, band. It's even got its own percussion room. What you're standing in right now is our main athletic competition gym. We're very excited to see our very first volleyball and basketball games here. Once again, collaboration is very important to us. Both of these spaces will ultimately have glass walls that fold away. That's why they're open right now, to allow teachers to either have small collaborative classrooms to work with or bring an entire two groups together in two different rooms and let them collaborate with one another. Thank you all so much for coming along with us on our tour today. We hope you had as good a time as we did looking around and seeing how much progress has been made. We'll continue to provide updates through our Facebook page as well as at Davenport High School, a Twitter handle, and you can follow me at Matthew S. DeLoach on Twitter as well for future updates. Look forward to seeing all of y'all in August of 2020.